Welcome to the Xero tutorial for beginners. Designed to provide a comprehensive guide to getting started with Xero in 2024. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that helps small businesses and accountants manage their financials with ease. To begin, navigate to the Xero website and sign up for a free trial or subscription. Once you have access to your Xero account, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view an overview of your financials, including invoices, bills, and bank accounts. The first step in setting up Xero is to connect your bank accounts, which allows Xero to import your bank statements and categorize your transactions. You can do this by clicking on the Bank Accounts tab and following the prompts to connect your accounts. Next, you will need to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts in your business, such as assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Xero provides a default chart of accounts, but you can customize it to suit your business needs. Now, let's move on to invoicing, which is a crucial part of any business. In Xero, you can create professional-looking invoices and send them to your customers via email. You can also track the status of your invoices, including when they are sent, viewed, and paid. Another key feature of Xero is the ability to manage your bills and expenses. You can enter bills and expenses into Xero, and then pay them when they are due. Xero will also remind you when bills are due, so you can avoid late payment fees. Finally, let's talk about reporting, which is an essential part of financial management. Xero provides a range of reports, including balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements. These reports will help you understand the financial performance of your business and make informed decisions. In conclusion, Xero is a powerful accounting software that can help small businesses and accountants manage their financials with ease. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can set up Xero and start managing your financials today. Remember to connect your bank accounts, set up your chart of accounts, create invoices, manage your bills and expenses, and use the reporting features to gain insights into your business. With Xero, you can streamline your financial management and focus on growing your business.